Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can enable OTG and connect USB with your device Vivo Y22s. So if you want to enable OTG or connect USB with your device, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can enable OTG and connect USB with your device.